Hello everyone, welcome back to our new session on ServiceNow. So before going to ServiceNow, so if you have heard about ServiceNow, let us know in the comment section so that we can also know that you have an idea of this. Okay. So before going to ServiceNow, so basically what do we mean by a ServiceNow? Okay. So basically a ServiceNow is an ITSM tool. Now what do we mean by this ITSM? So ITSM means uh, information technology service management tool. Okay, so basically this service now is used in IT industries. Okay, so well, coming to the service now, we are having different types of modules. Okay, so we'll be letting you know what are all these modules and all in the coming upcoming sessions, right? So basically what do we mean by service now? So basically, ServiceNow is a cloud platform. Okay, so it's an ITSM tool based on a cloud, like how we are having AWS, Azure. So their purposes is different, right? So ServiceNow is purposes is also somewhat different as compared to AWS and all those cloud platforms. So this is a ticketing tool, as we know. So what do you mean by ticketing tool? So we will be raising a ticket. So let us take an example. You are using some like you are ordering some products in Amazon. Let us take. Okay, so what you will be doing? So there is a problem for your order. Okay, let us take, there is a problem for your order. Okay, so for this what you will be doing, you will be going to the service portal or service provider where you have purchased your order. Let us take whether it's Amazon, whether it's Flipkart. Okay, doesn't matter. But what you will be going to do that, you will be going there and you will be raising a request, right? So you will be raising a request regarding your order, right? So this is what, so here the intermediate tool, whatever the things you are using here, right? So the whatever the process you are doing here, this intermediate tool is called as ServiceNow tool. Okay, so ServiceNow tool. So this is the ServiceNow tool. So this is the software which we can say which is used by Amazon or Flipkart, etc., for their service request managements. Okay, so this is what about ServiceNow. Now let us see what exactly mean the ServiceNow. Let us take one example of a bank. Okay, let us take, there is a bank here. Okay, so this is one bank. Okay, so it is having three branches. Okay, branch A, branch B, and branch C. Okay, so here let us take branch A as in located at A location, and branch B which is located at B location, and branch C which is located at C location. Okay, now let us assume that there is a problem which is faced by this bank A. Okay, so that is need to be solved by bank B. Okay, so let us take this bank A is in Hyderabad and bank B is in Mumbai. Okay, so to resolve the issues in the bank A, bank B people should go there. Does it nearly easy to go there and do? Because there are so many constraints. If we can take the traveling and the distance and also the time management, because as soon as they face any issues, so indirectly customers will be having some issues, right? End users will be having some issues. So till that time end users may not be happy for using their services of the bank, right? So to overcome these challenges, we are having a tool called ServiceNow. Okay, so this is where the ServiceNow comes into tool. So this is a cloud platform. Okay, this is a cloud platform where it will be linking all the banks. Okay, so all the branches of the bank. So branch A, branch B, and branch C. So whenever an issue is raised in branch A, automatically a ticket will be raised, and this is saved into this ServiceNow portal, which is used by the bank. Okay, this is in the cloud. As soon as the ticket is raised here, they will be getting a notification. Who will be getting a notification? The associated people for the associated branch. Okay, so let us take branch me is getting the notifications. So what they will be do, they will be immediately responding and getting back to again going into that issues, so seeing the problem what they are really facing, and they will revert back to branch A. So this process may take in hours. Okay, so this process may be completed in hours. So this is how, so here the time taken is less, and the resolving of the issue is more effective as compared to physically going into this branch and doing this. So this is where the ServiceNow tool comes into the picture. Okay, so this is how the ServiceNow tool comes into the picture. So now, as I said, ServiceNow tool is an ITSM tool. It means information technology service management. So what is it all about? So what do you mean by ITSM basically? So ITSM means information technology service management, as I said before. So there are some aspects or some parameters or some modules that we need to follow in a software company when you are managing the software company. Okay, whether it may be some request regarding the issues of your laptops, etc. So let us take, so you are working in an IT company, so your laptop is not working properly, there may be a software issues. So where you will go? You will go to the respective IT team and you will be telling the problem, and that may get resolved, right? So in the same way, let us take, there is a problem from the client. So how client can communicate? So he can't come physically to the company and do the things, right? So he need a platform, right? Like mailing, like mailing system, or raising a request regarding the software, right? These are all issues are managed by this ITSM. Okay, so there that's where the ServiceNow comes, because there are so many competitors to ServiceNow. Okay, so ServiceNow is more popular as compared to the other competitors. Why? What may be the reason? So because we are having so many of ServiceNow competitors here, as you can see. So we are having BMD Remedy, we are having HPSM, we are having CAUAN Center, and also Sapphire, and also Ivanti. Okay, so these are all also other competitors to ServiceNow, which are providing the same service now. But what makes the ServiceNow unique is, along with ITSM, ServiceNow is also having another different modules. Okay, so we are also having different types of modules in the ServiceNow. So one is of ITSM, another is of HRST, and third is of ITOM, and fourth is of CSM, and also GRC and vendor management, etc. etc. We are having plenty of IT SM related modules. Okay, so this is ITSM is one module, as we can say. So, but this is the most popular module in ServiceNow. So, if you know how to manage ITSM, you can manage all the remaining modules. So, these are all linked to, like, the methodology is same, the but the terminologies and the purpose of using is different. for these modules. So that's the reason why I'm saying, like, if you know ITSM tool, you can get to know remaining all these tools. Okay, so basically ServiceNow started their services from ITSM. Gradually, they have established HRSD, ITOM, CSM, GRC, and also vendor management, and also so many modules. Okay, so depending upon the requirement and depending upon the company requirement, we will be using this modules. So we need, like, there is an subscription basis where the tool is provided for the companies. Okay, so if we want only ITSM, there is some subscriptions, and there are some plans for taking it. So like this, we are having different types of ITSM tools. So basically, ServiceNow is a ticketing tool for IT service management. So this is all about the ServiceNow introduction. So we'll catch you up in the next video.